All right, let's move on to our money couple. Financial infidelity, everybody. It's come close to damaging my relationship. Very
Not
close.
yet.
Not yet, though.
Not yet.
That's why they're here.
Yeah.
So it can help you. It can help rebuild both of you if you do it together.
That's right.
Yes. Okay. Scott and Bethany Palmer, everybody. Yes.
So,
We
financial
teased the small
infidelity.
stack of 20s, and you didn't bring that.
Yeah,
You
I'm
brought
sorry.
knowledge instead.
That's right.
Equally as valuable.
That's right.
Sometimes. So, not for buying lunch, but whatever. So financial infidelity, most couples deal with this. And so we saw, when we're working with couples, we see this happen. It feels like 9 times out of 10, there's this level of financial infidelity. And financial infidelity, according to the experts, can be as damaging as sexual infidelity in a relationship, especially if it builds up over time. So how do you rebuild? We want to hit 5 points real quick.
Okay.
The first one is forgive and confess, or confess and forgive.
Okay.
What you have to do, according to the Washington Post, 63 to 65% of women have secret credit cards or secret checking accounts.
Why's it gotta be women?
Yeah, women.
Would you let me finish?
Okay.
35% of men. So,
Oh, wait.
maybe a little bit less, but the reality is if one of you is cheating financially, the other one is too. Let's
Okay.
just be realistic.
How
All
can
right.
that be
So-
done in this day and age where everybody's credit information is shared?
so
How
easy.
How does that
It's
happen?
easier now than
Oh, it's
ever.
easier
You can
to
get a
hide?
credit card in your own name. I'll show you how to do it after
I don't
the
want
show.
like a Kohl's card. I want something that's cool.
Right, you will get your Marriott card. Takes us 5 minutes. Anywho, so you gotta confess and forgive. Just tell each other
Okay.
what's going on. Second point is seek professional help.
Okay.
I always tell people, usually there's financial infidelity because there's so much tension around money in the relationship that one or both of you just doesn't feel the freedom. So just hire a financial advisor. It's $150 an hour. Have them look at all the credit, have them look at your cash flow, and just put a plan together
Okay.
where you're going to be in a position where you both know what's going on with the money and it won't push you into financial infidelity.
Who pays for the financial advisor? The person with the problem or the person trying to fix the
I
problem?
would say both.
Thank
Because
you.
you're a couple.
Thank you, Scott.
It's a good,
Okay.
good question, though.
Next.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Next is establish new routines. If you expect the same thing to happen in your relationship, you keep doing the same thing. You've
Right.
got to establish a new thing. So let me give you an example. For Scott and myself, so we don't have financial infidelity with big expenditures. We say if we want to spend over $200, you take a quick picture of the item, text it to the person. If the other person doesn't think it's a good idea, then we talk about it. It's not a no, it's a not now.
Okay.
That saves you so much
Yeah,
fighting
it
in
has.
a
It
relationship.
has. It's been really
especially
good.
around ski season.
Yeah.
with me.
Because you're there and you're like,
Right.
Yes.
what's the emoji face mean?
That's right.
Okay.
Okay.
But then you know in the back of your head, eventually she's going to want this.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
The next one is remove all the barriers. Oftentimes, one of the reasons why we have secrecy is because there's secret accounts, secret credit cards.
Yes.
So what you have to do, and what we really strongly suggest, is full transparency. Remove all the barriers, make sure everything's transparent. Once a month, get together, see what's coming in, what's going out.
Yep.
That's the way that you can rebuild that relationship. That's what's most important.
Seems like a little bit of a, like that would be that meeting where we're all making the face.
Right.
You want to do this today? You want to ruin Saturday or do you want to ruin Sunday?
Okay, well, that brings me to the fun part, and
Yeah.
that is reward your successes. One of the things that we don't do as couples enough is celebrate our victories.
Yes.
You know, we're so busy and all that. If you don't have financial infidelity in your relationship for 6 months and you've been struggling with it, rebuild by having some fun. Go out.
We're
Have a
gonna
good
spend
time.
money.
That's right.
Right.
Let's go do it. Let's
Together.
celebrate together.
Together.
That's right. And it's all about rebuilding the relationship after the distrust has
Yes.
set in.
And I know we're out of time, but it's the yes or no question. Is it better as a couple to have separate bank accounts or together?
I would say together, but if you're going to have separate, who cares as long as you're being 100% transparent.
Okay. You mean at that meeting where you come together and put it all on the
Exactly.
table?
It's
It's so you don't have hiding and secrecy.
No,
That's
for
what
sure.
hurts.
That can build resentment.
That's right.
Yes,
Right,
I know.
Kathy?
No, I know.
Like what you were talking about before we came on, what
Exactly.
you did last week.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So
Yeah,
for,
Kathy.
for more with the money
$1,000
couple,
bucks.
Seriously,
Really?
let's all sit
Whatever.
down and have some therapy.
go to their website, themoneycouple.com.
Body language indicates you're not open
You know
for
what?
this.
Exactly.
That's why
Thanks a
she
lot,
is
Scott.
closed off.
Yeah.